Hello friends, welcome to Easy English Bookshelf. Today we will be reading the advanced version of the book. Read along to enhance your skills while speaking at regular speed. Thanks for joining us today. Once upon a time, in a lush and vibrant jungle, there lived a charming armadillo named Archie. Today was a special day for Archie. It was his birthday. With excitement bubbling in his heart, Archie scurried out of his cozy burrow, his shiny armor gleaming in the morning sunlight. As Archie ventured through the jungle, he could not contain his joy. "It's my birthday!" he exclaimed to every creature he met along the way. The birds chirped melodies of celebration, the squirrels danced in the trees, and even the wise old owl hooted his best wishes. But as Archie journeyed deeper into the jungle, he began to feel a pang of loneliness. None of his friends seemed to remember his special day. Maybe they are planning a surprise party. He thought optimistically, his spirits lifting once again. Determined to enjoy his birthday, Archie decided to treat himself to a day of adventure. He explored every nook and cranny of the jungle, discovering hidden trails, sparkling streams, and secret clearings filled with wildflowers. As the day wore on, Archie's stomach began to grumble. "A birthday feast is in order," he declared, setting off to find the tastiest treats the jungle had to offer. He nibbled on succulent berries, savored crunchy nuts, and indulged in sweet honey from a nearby beehive. But just as Archie was about to enjoy his birthday meal, a sudden rustling in the bushes caught his attention. Out popped his friends, the jungle creatures, each holding a gift and wearing a big grin on their face. "Surprise, Archie!" they shouted in unison, showering him with hugs and laughter. Tears of joy welled up in Archie's eyes as he realized he was not alone after all. Together, they shared a delightful birthday feast, with laughter and joy echoing through the jungle. They danced around in a circle, singing songs of friendship and celebration under the twinkling stars. As the night drew to a close, Archie nestled into his burrow, his heart overflowing with happiness. "It truly was the best birthday ever," he whispered, drifting off to sleep with a content smile on his face. From that day forward, Archie knew that birthdays were not just about gifts or parties. They were about the love and friendship that surrounded him every day in the magical jungle he called home. And as long as he had his friends by his side, every day would feel like a celebration. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you learned something new. Please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for another fun lesson. See you tomorrow!